Welcome, beautiful soul. Today, we focus on health and healing affirmations that nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Your body is intelligent. It listens to your thoughts and responds to your words. By speaking these affirmations, you invite your body to activate its natural healing power. Take a deep breath in and let's begin. Every cell in my body is healthy and strong. My immune system is powerful and protective and never fails me. I am allowing well-being and healing to come to me now. I release all my emotional baggage that has weighed me down. I send love to myself and my body. I listen to my body's intuition. Every day I feel better and better, more healthy, more vibrant. I am thankful for my body and the wonderful things it is capable of. I am deserving of health and healing. I am releasing all resistance to health and healing. My body is healthy and strong. I naturally exist in a state of well-being. I am grateful for my body's ability to restore balance. My body knows how to heal itself. I breathe in healing energy with every breath. I release stress, and my body relaxes into wellness. I feel fitter, younger, and more active every day. I have a powerful natural immune system. I am getting healthier and stronger every day. I know my body can heal itself. I am conscious of my diet and eating healthy foods. I treat my body with love and respect. Every part of me vibrates with health and vitality. I am patient and gentle with my body as it heals. I am requesting love and light to refuel my cells. I radiate wellness from the inside out. I am open and ready to receive miracles. I am letting go of thoughts that no longer serve me for the greater good. I am releasing all anxiety and stress. I am healthy, vibrant, and energetic. I am a perfect example of health and vitality. You are a powerful creator of your health. Repeat these affirmations daily and allow your body to respond with love. Thank you for sharing this healing space with me today. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and join me for more affirmations that uplift your life.